Concentrate, Richard. Remember the old maxim, try harder. These questions really aren't too tricky, are they?
Who was that,
That's
Bacon?
Nick Forbes from my school.
Oh, Nick Forbes, is it? Not...
Mr. Forbes.
Mr. Forbes, thank you very much.
Actually, I've met him since, lovely bloke at school, he was terrifying, and actually that kind of came across, I thought, in that 5-second appearance. It's slightly intimidating and
Really?
frightening.
You feel slightly intimidated by it?
Yes.
So, school days then, not the happiest of your life, or what?
Well, I had a good time. I wasn't exactly a model student. I didn't work that hard, I didn't focus very much, but I did have a laugh.
And that's the important thing about school. You've got to have fun. Rudman, congratulations on your medal.
Thank you.
Were your teachers proud?
I hope so.
You did a lot of sport
Yeah.
at school. Did you ever have time for any, you know, proper lessons?
I have to say, I was a bit of a devotee to my sport rather than my academic side of work.
OK. Do you think that'll be reflected tonight?
Possibly.
Yeah. Any subjects you're hoping come up? Anything you're a bit of an expert on?
I could talk to you about ice, but
That's a conversation we're not going to have. Hammond. Nicknames. They called you Titch at school.
Yeah, well, oddly enough, I wasn't that tall. May come as a surprise. I was a late bloomer. Well, I'm still waiting.
They also called you Owl Eyes. Why did they call you Owl Eyes?
Well, I've got big eyes. So have owls. Actually, it's because I used to vomit my food up in pellets.
Really?
Yeah. You have the... And I can turn my head through 360 degrees.
Really?
Yeah, I can do that.
So, on to round 2 now, which features a school timetable and which we've cleverly called the school timetable round. Each star pupil has to choose a day from the timetable, then choose 3 subjects from that day to answer questions on. Single lessons are worth 5 marks, and doubles, being doubly difficult, are worth 10, meaning there's 25 marks up for grabs. But if you do go for a double, you must get all parts of the question completely correct to get those 10 marks. Hammond.
I wasn't listening.
How they've reverted back to how they were at school. It's quite extraordinary.
If the weather's nice, can we take our books out there?
Yeah. What day do you want and what subject?
I'd like a Friday, please.
Anything leaping out at you from that day that you're going to go for?
I'm going to risk it. I'm going to go for the physics.
Double physics.
I've got my clever jacket on. It's made of corduroy. I should be standing there in my corduroy jacket.
We wouldn't be able to see you. Here we go, Hammond. Physics, or a double. A 40-kilogram weight is placed 3 metres away from the point of balance of a seesaw. How far along the other side must a 60-kilogram weight be placed to balance it?
Well, the obvious answer to that would be 0.2.
Right.
2 metres away.
So you're saying 2. How did you work that out?
Because proportionally it's the same, the proportion of the weight, the proportion of the distance.
OK, let's see if you're right. Hooray! Good work. You've extended your lead there with that double question. Rudman, choose your day.
I'm going to go for a Thursday.
Thursday, why?
Because it's the only one where I might have a weeny bit of a chance, and German.
German? In German, what is the name of the 2 dots placed over a vowel? It's an...
Upsilon.
Do you need a handkerchief for that?
That was
It's
a
not
complete guess.
whatever an upsilon is. It's not one of them. It is, in fact, an umlaut.
Umlaut.
Bacon. Choose your day.
I would really like Monday, and I'll have a double history, please.
Double history from Monday. The First World War was triggered by the assassination of an archduke. What was his name, and in what city did it happen?
Franz Ferdinand, and it was
The city of?
It was. You know what? I know the answer to this.
Say it then.
Does it begin with S? Is it Sarajevo?
It's Sarajevo. Hammond, choose your second subject from Friday.
I'll risk it and go for English literature.
English lit. In George Orwell's Animal Farm, what kind of animals are Napoleon and Boxer?
Are they pigs or are they something else? I can't remember.
You've mentioned one of them already. Napoleon is a...
Pig.
Pig. And Boxer is...
Oh, something else.
Boxer was...
A dog. No.
A horse.
I was going to say that then.
Well, you
That was
didn't.
what I was going to say next.
Right. Rudman, Choose your second question from Thursday.
IT?
IT. The Internet. Hypertext markup language is better known by what abbreviation?
The at symbol?
The at symbol, which of course is an abbreviation of...
Bang, bang.
Think it through. Hypertext markup language. The letters. I'm gonna have to say it, I'm sorry. Hypertext markup language is also known as HTML.
Oh.
It really was all there for you.
I'm not with it.
Monday, bacon, second subject.
Second subject, I'll go for biology this time, please, Danny.
Biology for a double. Look at this and tell me which bone is the clavicle and which bone is the sternum.
I would say that the sternum is B and that the clavicle is A.
Is the wrong answer. Clavicle is B, sternum is D, C is the mandible, and A is the humerus. The sternum, of course, also known as the breastbone. Now, Friday, your final question, please. Your final subject from Friday, Hammond.
Well, a lot of trouble here. No good at geography or indeed maths. Maths.
All right. Hammond, have a look at this.
Half of x take away 7 equals 5. So what does x equal?
The terrifying maths brothers there. Hammond?
Well, now clearly that must be the only number that you can take 7 from to make 5 is 12. So half of x minus 7. So x is 24.
Let's have a look.
5 plus 7 equals 12. So if half of x is 12, x must be 24.
Excellent work! That was very impressive. Rudman, your final subject, please, from Thursday. That'll help.
Chemistry.
Chemistry, OK, for a double. You sure about this?
Yeah.
All right. Chemistry for a double. Have a look at this. Which metal is being ignited in this experiment and what powder is left after the reaction?
Is it magnesium?
Magnesium is correct, but this is a double. I also need you to tell me what powder is left after the reaction.
Magnesium oxide?
You're saying magnesium oxide. Let's see if you're right.
The magnesium has reacted with oxygen, which has created magnesium oxide.
Hooray! Very, very impressive. Bacon, your final subject, please, from Monday.
I'll go with English Lit, please.
OK, English Lit for a single. In Oscar Wilde's play The Importance of Being Earnest, in what item was Jack Worthing found as a child? What was he found in?
A bag?
What kind of bag?
Handbag?
In a handbag is correct.
Oh.